All right, and we are live. What's up, Facebook? Hello, hello, hey, hey. Welcome to my live video today. My name is Jason Brown here in Oregon. If you are able to hop on live with me, awesome. Let me know you're here. I'd like to give you a shout out. If you catch this later in the day, let me know you were here. Let me know you stopped by. I'd like to know who's being able to see my stuff, how far I'm reaching. I am hopping on here kind of quick, and it's late. Normally I like to get on a little sooner in the day, but you know, sometimes our days dictate themselves how and when we have the time to do the things. So regardless, today is Winning Webinar Wednesday, and I'm on here hopping on to invite you to join us on an outstanding webinar this evening, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 Central, 4 Pacific, can't forget 5 Mountain, and see what we got going on, see what it is, hear from our seven-figure earner, the owner and designer, if you will, of our platform, see how simple things can be to actually earn a living online. Sorry, I guess I'm kind of bright here, but regardless, you know and see that it's me. But I do want to invite you to join us. As I was saying, our seven-figure earner, multiple years, multiple seven figures. She's been earning online. She'll speak directly about exactly what the program is, how it works, how you can get involved, the different levels that are available, and then also there'll be some real live testimonials from actual members like myself and my teammates, team members, and so many involved in the program, up to over 800 members now. 1,800 members now, and you know, you could be the next one. So as the description shows, over $750,000 in commissions already paid out in just 6 months. So the growth is outstanding. The movement that we're a part of is outstanding, and you know, we're still gaining traction. We're still in the process of making it become real for so many different people in so many different parts of the world, so many different skill levels, from newbie to vet, and everywhere in between, 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. There's people with all different skill sets that have jumped into this movement and are really pushing this thing forward and making it a reality that, you know, so many people who struggled for years to earn anything online are now actually making real commissions on a consistent basis. So again, you can too, but at this point, no pressure. Just inviting you to a webinar tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern Time. Love to have you be my guest. I'll drop the information down below in the comments, so you can join through there. You can message me. Certainly hit me with an inbox. I'll be happy to share what's going on, how we're doing it, how so many are doing it, and hopefully we can get you to be a part of it as well. So thanks as always for tuning in. Hopefully you get some value from this. Again, I'd love to hear from you if you have any questions. Don't sit on the sidelines any longer and watch. We have a tremendous support group I can add you to. You can see a lot of what's going on. We have an amazing chat group that also is just so supportive. I've never been around so many supportive people that you know, there's not just 1 or 2 people in the whole company that have the answers. There's so many. I mean, our success coaches, our owner, people that have been in this for several months, and everyone is willing to help and support each other. So it's really an outstanding place to be, and would be more than happy to share any info with you. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you as my guest on that webinar tonight. Okay? Appreciate you stopping by. I'm Jason Brown from Portland, Oregon, and I'm out. Peace.